Hi everyone, in this video we'll rebuild the Zurn Wilkins 600XL water pressure reducing valve. We'll be using repair kit RK34-600XL. First we'll shut off the main valve to the house. Next we'll open a faucet or hose bib to relieve pressure. Now we'll measure and note the height of the pressure adjustment screw. Next we'll loosen the lock nut on the adjustment bolt and then screw out the adjustment bolt until it is free of spring tension. Then we'll remove the strainer cap by turning it counterclockwise, followed by removing the main cap. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we'll remove the plunger by turning it counterclockwise. Then we'll unscrew the bell housing counterclockwise also. Now we will remove the spring and spring disc, and then the friction ring and stem assembly. Next we check the valve body, especially the bore where the O-ring slides into. It needs to be smooth for the valve to function correctly. If needed, smooth the bore with an emery cloth. Partially open the shut-off valve to flush out any rubbish from the valve body and water line. Now replace the strainer screen and the strainer cap gasket. Replace the main cap gasket. Replace the seal ring and washer on the plunger. Swap out the friction ring, spring, and spring disc. Next, assemble the new stem unit using the new stem, O-ring, diaphragm, diaphragm disc, and diaphragm nut. Make sure the rounded edge of the diaphragm disc faces the diaphragm. Lubricate the O-ring with the grease supplied in the repair kit. Install the new stem unit and screw the plunger into the stem unit. Be careful to not over-tighten the plunger. Install the new friction ring, spring, and spring disc. Then reinstall the bell housing by turning it clockwise. Tighten bell housing until snug. Reinstall the strainer, strainer cap, and main cap. Turn the adjustment screw into the bell housing back to the old setting. Open a faucet or hose bib, partially open the shut-off valve, and let water run for several seconds. Next, fully open the main valve and check for leaks. Check your water pressure with a pressure gauge. As needed, turn the adjustment bolt clockwise to increase the pressure or counterclockwise to reduce the pressure. When the desired pressure is reached, tighten the lock nut. All done.